Hi there. So far we have seen how we can use the if loops very well in Python, and these are some tasks given to you. So input 3 numbers and find out the largest, input 5 numbers and find out the largest and smallest number out of them, for which I am not going to give you any solution or anything. You just have to try it on your own. Lastly, I want you to write down a program to create a complete calculator. And here in this video, I'm going to show you the output that I want from the program, how it looks. I'm not going to show you the code, but I'm just going to show you the output that I want. So here's my program hidden a little bit so that you shouldn't be able to take a peek into it. So as soon as my code starts, it should deliberately and very nicely ask me the question, please select your desired operation. 1 addition, 2 subtraction, 3 multiplication, 4 division. So that's my code over here, which I want you to create for the calculator. I've just kept here so that you shouldn't take a sneak peek into it. I'm just going to run it from here itself. So when my program starts, it should sophisticatedly give me a menu to select one of the operations. So here it shows, please select your desired operation. 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for multiplication, and 4 for division. So let's say I have chosen 1 here. Then it asks me to enter the first number, so 45 for example. Then another number, 25. You have chosen addition, 45 plus 25 is equal to 70. As simple as that. I'll again run it. It will again give me the same menu. Now let's say I choose multiplication. Then it will ask me for the first number, let's say 30. Second number, let's say 9. And then you've chosen multiplication. 30 into 9 is equal to 270. You have to do this program simply by making use of if loop and whatever that is we have studied. Nothing outside the things that we have so far discussed. So perform this exercise. Thanks for watching this video.